numbers is not an issue. Standing NATO Maritime Group 1 is in the area at the moment to support the new NATO Operation Baltic Sentry. As you know, not too long ago we had a bit of an issue in these waters with critical undersea infrastructure. It is perceived there is a threat to that critical underwater infrastructure, and we're here to help. Critical underwater infrastructure, and obviously within NATO there's not only this ship, there are two task groups. We've got aircraft up there. We're very connected with all the maritime operations center in the area, and with this network we aim to make sure that we know what's happening at sea. It all starts with awareness, and once you're aware of what is happening, you're able to interfere if anything is happening that's not supposed to happen.
NATO will enhance its presence in the Baltic Sea region. That way we hope and we will deter. Of course, we are also ready to take action where is needed, and we are trained for that. But also the contributing nations must be able and will be able to react in a correct manner.